Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about my skincare routine. I'm going to talk about what the products I use, how I use those products, and what benefits, results I have felt on my skin after using those products. So first I use is cleanser. It's from CeraVe. You already know CeraVe brand. It's a very good brand for your skincare routine. They have good moisturizing creams. They have good cleansers, and the moisturizer and the cleanser is quite popular. They are quite popular from this brand, and I use this hydrating cleanser from CeraVe. It's for normal to dry skin, and my skin is dry, so I really like this product. I like using this because it doesn't leave my skin after washing like patchy and dry. It's actually good for my skin, like my dry skin, so I can use this for everyday cleanser. But yeah, this cannot be used for like heavy makeup removing and everything. So for that you need maybe foaming cleanser, and also for if you have excess oil and your skin is oily, so then you shouldn't use this product, because this product is not for the oily and very heavy skin dirt and makeup and everything. No. So yeah, and next I use is my vitamin C Q plus A from Q plus A vitamin C, let's say. And this vitamin C has like dewy moisturizing plus like it's mixed of both moisturizer also and the vitamin C as well. I mean, it leaves your skin kind of like it leaves your skin soft, let's say moisturized and soft. So this is a very good vitamin C. I really like using it, and it's not very expensive as well. So, and next I use is Aveeno Moisturizing Gel. It's oat gel, actually, oat gel moisturizer. I saw Hiram's videos, and he recommended this moisturizer for sensitive skin as well as normal skin. So normal, dry, sensitive skin, you can use this product. I mean, it's like when you after you use this product, it leaves your skin refreshed, and also you don't have the weight of your moisturizer. You know, you feel like you haven't worn anything on your skin. It's like natural moisturized or natural glow after you use the moisturizer. So this moisturizer is very, very good. I really recommend using to others this moisturizer, and it's a very good moisturizer. So yeah, and next I'm gonna be using is Glossier Future Dew, and this is from the brand Glossier. This Future Dew is for the glow for my skin. So to make my skin glow, I use this Future Dew. Pardon me, my voice is not quite well today, so excuse my voice. And this last product, it's for my lips. I use this rose balm from this Glossier, and this rose balm leaves your lips like moisturized, hydrated, and it doesn't leave dry. Like now I haven't used anything, so it's kind of like dry, and my lips gets dry like very easily. Like I have to use lip balm. So yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna wash my skin with this cleanser, and then I'm gonna be back, so stay tuned for the whole video. So yeah, I have washed my skin. I have prepped my skin now. So now I'll use this vitamin C from Q plus A. It's UK brand and it's very good for your skin. I really like using this vitamin C. And if you're a beginner and you want to use the vitamin C, I think this is a very good option for you. It's good for your for any type skin. I mean, oily, sensitive, dry. Like it's also written here. I don't know if you can see or not. It's also written here, and the bottle looks like this. It's actually like this. So it's a very good vitamin C. And for the like how to get all these products, I will put the links in the description box below as well. And let me tell you that none of these brands have sponsored me, because I'm just a starter in this YouTube world, and I haven't I haven't reached to that standard or benchmark the YouTube has set for the monetizing and everything. So I'm still learning, I'm still a beginner. So, and these products are all based on my research. Like I researched and everything, and then I thought like, yeah, I'm gonna use those products. So it's based on my research. Again, it's not like I'm not a professional skincare professional, dermatologist or anything like that. So this is from Q Plus A. Q Plus A is very good brand. So it goes like this, and you should shake before using. So miss your under eye, cheeks, and sometimes also eyelids. Like I also put it here. Q Plus A claims that you don't have to use moisturizer after using this because it acts as both. But still, I use moisturizer. Sometimes I don't use, but I would also prefer using moisturizer as well, because my skin is very like dry and very important thing about vitamin C is you should always keep this in your refrigerator. You see the packaging, right? Like it should not be exposed to direct sunlight, and also it should not be exposed in like in the room temperature like for a long time. So you should always keep this in refrigerator so that its essence, the essence of this vitamin C will be always restored, you know. So the temperature, you should always be careful. I mean, store it in a refrigerator, and before you use, just take it out and then use it, and then again keep it back in your refrigerator. Otherwise your vitamin C will go bad. Like yellowy structure, brownish texture actually represent that your vitamin C has gone bad, and it's of no use. Like if you use it then it's of like using nothing, so it's of no use. And let me put this back immediately, because I don't want to put this outside for a long time while I make this video. No, so let me put this back and top. So after vitamin C, my next step is moisturizer from Aveeno. It's oat gel, and it's a refreshing moisturizer, and this texture is like this. I don't know if you can see properly. The packaging is like this, and I don't use a lot, because less is more than enough. Nurturing yourself and taking care of yourself is very important. So I really encourage everyone to have their skincare routine, even for the boys, for the males. Because it's very important to take care of yourself, of your body, like we care about our health. Similarly, we should also care about our skin, so that it won't be damaged and be acne prone and everything. So I really suggest everyone to have their skincare routine, the products they think that are best for them, that are good for them, good for their skin. Before you jump into your skincare routine and everything, your skincare products, before you buy them, just make sure that you have done your research properly, like all the necessary research. It's very important to research about the products before you use them. Otherwise, like, you don't know what you're using. Otherwise it will be like, oh yeah, I don't know anything. I mean, I don't know the knowledge, so I don't know anything about this product. So don't be like that. So I just suggest, don't be like that. Do your research, do enough research, and when you think, yeah, I have done my research enough, I trust this product, or I'm confident enough to use it, then you can use it. Otherwise, don't be like buying something in the dark. So don't do that. So yeah, let me use now my Future Dew from Glossier. I just put it here. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the product actually. So this is the packaging. This is the product from Glossier. This Future Dew like more in morning and at night. Like, I don't use it. I just use it in the morning. I don't use it like at night as well. And the rest of the products I use morning and evening, morning and night, let's say. So rest of the products, but not the Future Dew. And last but not the least, let's use this Glossier lip balm. No. Future. Yeah, Glossier Rose Balm. So yeah, that's it. So this is my skincare routine, and tell me in the comment section like what you guys think about my skincare routine. And if you have your own skincare routine, please share your skincare routine to me as well. Like, I would really love to learn about the other the products you use, and I would be happy to actually read the comments and to know about your skincare routine. So please don't forget to share to me your skincare routine, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments section about my skincare, and keep supporting. Stay tuned for my next videos, upcoming videos. I had planned something, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So, thank you for watching, everyone. Keep supporting me, and bye bye. Take care. Peace. So